Everyone can be an electrical engineer. Hello, welcome to Lasting Channel. I'm Mr. Professor. Have you ever heard the COBOL board? In previous video, how to design TV and HomePod, I mentioned the SoC chip. This type of chip has many core architecture, and its capabilities in audio and video position and data position far exceed of the MCU. By configure external memory, data capacity can be expanded, the data processing speed can be adjusted. When using SoC, the chips directly connect to the SoC include the PMIC chip, RAM chip, and flash chip. SoC is the main chip, similar to MCU. PMIC is a power management chip, responsible for supply power to SoC, and the surrounding chip, RAM chip, are responsible for data retrieval, such as DRAM, and flash memory chip are responsible for data storage, such as TF card, eMMC, SSD. Since those four chips are all BGA or complex package chips, they all require high density multi-layer circuit board for PCB. To reduce cost and optimize circuit layout, we generally use a small circuit board to make those four chips into a modular and fix them together, which is a core board, or known as a CPU modular. You can use regular PCB materials for parts beyond the core board, as shown in the picture, instead of high-density multi-layer circuit boards, which can reduce cost and facilitate debugging. For some, if they purchase per debugging the core board separately and then assemble it into their own circuit, a significant amount of debugging time can be saved. Therefore, in the current ingest and many AI embedded core boards are being widely used, and it also convenient to upgrade or replace the main control solution in the feature. Currently, various interfaces are provided for different industrial and core boards are becoming increasingly complex and diverse. If the requirements are clearly defined, find a very suitable SoC and matching the core board is very simple. If you are selecting a special SoC, whether it is a chip based on ARM architecture, RISC-V architecture, and even an FPGA chip, you can contact us. We can quickly provide you with the corresponding core board for the following brand. If you have any question, feel free to contact us. Are there any other product design you would like to know about? Feel free to leave a message. Thanks for watching. See you next time.